What is going on YouTube? Today we got the DR650. We're gonna go out in the swamp, eat some food, dodge black bears, maybe pop a wheelie. Let's see what happens. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright, so the first thing we want to do here is to take some of the stuff off the bike like I have, and we're going to start a little fire. And here again, not a big fire, just got some hot dogs and potatoes we're cooking. Don't want to make a big smoke signal out here either. It might be big to begin with, but we can get some coals going here, so let's see if we can get this thing going. Alright, so maybe cheating a little bit here. I got some Instalight coals in here. So I'm going to light this little pyramid I made right here. And let's see what happens. I find it strange, something you used to do every day as a child, like start a fire in the yard or in the ditch outside. You think about it, yeah, I haven't done it in years. Anyway, I'll let this burn down a little bit here, and then we're gonna get to cooking some hot dogs and potatoes. And yeah, I'm just sitting out here for the last half hour or so, just chilling. But see, some of these log companies, they've cleared some of this. Got these wood piles, which I get a little nervous. You know, this is a black bear sanctuary. Got a big wood pile over there. Couldn't think of a better place to put a den, but loud ass aftermarket exhaust, smoke going. I think I'd be fine. Anyway, I'm starting to get a little hungry. And yeah, got the bike. I had to charge up the phone a little bit, ran out of batteries. But yeah, let's get to cooking here. Once your fire starts to look a little bit like that, you know, it's warm, it's got a lot of coals in it, stuff like that, you want to think about getting your food together. Now guys, I am no foodie by any stretch of the imagination. I'll eat damn near anything. But really, key to cooking is aluminum foil, butter, and we got some soul food mix. Y'all might remember that from Thanksgiving, or cooking a Thanksgiving meal. Got 2 potatoes and these beef hot dogs, along with some tortilla wraps. Didn't have any hot dog buns at the dollar store, but got some tortilla wraps in here, along with some mustard. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook these brats and stuff. We're going to have a little meal for ourselves here. So let's start preparing for it. Alright, so you got your good multi-tool with you, which has a knife on it. You've got potatoes, and you have a bench here, which is your bike. Now, make sure you don't do it directly onto your seat. I'm going to cook it over this flatbread here, or cut this stuff up over my flatbread so I don't cut my damn seat. So let me do that, and I'm going to stick them those chopped up potatoes in some aluminum foil, which I have right here. Put some seasoning and some butter in it. Throw it in that damn fire. That's how you do it now. Alright, so what we got here is we got soul food seasoning, potatoes, butter. Nothing's cut up perfect or anything like that. We're just going to put it on that fire over there for a little while. Probably a good while. 2 giant chunks of butter right there. And that's going to all make all that stuff work. So let's do that. Alright, you can hear it crackling and sizzling and popping right there. Oh yeah, look good. Now look, the recipe for all this is pretty damn simple, guys. You don't want nothing to burn. So I might push this back a bit. Anyways, simple. Take another piece of aluminum foil, put these hot dogs in there, or these beef brats, along with a little bit of butter, some steak seasoning, and you throw them on the fire. Yeah, buddy. Alright, we got the hot dogs or the brats in here. You come over to the fire, just put them in there like that. Before long, you'll have you some lunch ready to go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we got here. We got taters, we got hot dog. We're gonna eat that up for lunch out here. Worked out pretty well. Yeah, I'll let that go out. Probably throw the larger logs into that water right there. Definitely, if you start a fire, make sure that you put it out. Alright, so I want to show you what it looks like. Got some potatoes, brats, mustard. Good enough for me.
Alright, so we just finished pretty much just a day camping, sitting out here chilling, and I guess we're going to head out of here. Make sure to clean up after myself. Toting all this stuff doesn't exactly make the bike perform any better, that's for sure. But it's a little bit of a lighter load coming back than coming out of here, that's for sure. It's a very quiet day out here. Just hear the wind, and that's about it. It helps if you turn it on, right? Alright. We keep working way out of here. Oh my, just stalling out left and right here. Bike's a bit cold. At least. Not trying to keep track of the full on ready to go. You know what? Since we're on this road, ain't nobody out here. You know what? Oh, I tried the wheelie. I just can't do it by myself, man. I feel better when I got people around me in case I know if something goes wrong. I had my foot over the brake too. I was ready. Alright, how about one more? Quit being a pussy. Got a little lift on it. Little lift. How about one more? There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I got her up. I did it. Wasn't gonna leave y'all without a wheelie today. And my little entrance to this place is like 4 miles from my house. Nobody like, I wonder if any of you guys that are watching it, wrong buddy. Oh, I washed that front wheel out. Oh, man. Anyway, back to the question. You guys out there, you guys that watch these videos, like, do y'all ever have like some wild places that you frequently go to? It's not a lot of people. How does it make you? Speaking about altering shit, I've ordered some more Dunlop 606 tires to put on here. I think that speaks very highly to that tire, to be honest with you. The fact that, let me stand up. It's just too sandy. The fact that I bought this tire twice, I think speaks a lot to it. If I was not pleased, I would not order another set of them. I would have picked something different. So I am a big fan of that Dunlop 606, guys. I think it's the shit. Even these ones I have on it now that are kind of worn down, they're still getting the damn job done. And I'm carrying a fucking tail bag with a bunch of stuff in it, you know? Yeah. Seen a lot of turkey track out here. Out here at April 1 is turkey turkey season. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye. I'll see. If I feel like there's a lot of people back here, I won't come back here, but let's be real, I probably would anyway. But, yeah, I've actually seen a shit ton of turkeys out here. If you do want to blast a turkey, I guess the green swamp is the spot for you, Bo. Got longer distance I can go. I feel like I can just do more. Is it heavy yet? Is it as good in the dirt as a traditional dirt bike? No. But it is what it is, bro. I went down the highway getting here. I'm gonna pop out in the swamp. There's the gate. I'm gonna pop out in the swamp and ride right into my damn driveway. I know that. I ain't gotta worry about putting it in the back of a truck. Alright, guys. So techniques to get out of a situation like this. What you have here is a gate that is in your way, which needs to get the fuck on. So, you need to approach the gate. Hi, Mr. Gate, how you doing? Well, I'm just sitting in your fucking way. I'll make things difficult. Alright, you gonna be a douche about it? We can do something about that. Well, I don't know. It says no dumping. I have no intentions of dumping anything out here. So I guess that doesn't apply to me. There's a sign on that gate. You push the gate as far forward as you possibly can. You get the bike as far forward as you possibly can. You lay the bike down. Crash. You pull the gate back over the bike. And you get down on the ground. And you get on the other side of the gate. And then, well, that's most of the battle right there, guys, to be honest with you. And you go up to your bike. Hey, Mr. Bike, how the fuck you doing? Oh, man, it's rough. I'm laying on the ground. Here's your back. Your back. And you push the gate away. You got the bike up, and you push the bike away. And then you put your kickstand down. By now you might be breathing hard. But that's okay, because this ordeal's about over. And you get back on the bike. And you bring the kickstand on. Now it's going to take a second to start, because you just move gas down the carburetor. Don't worry about that, because she will start. Like I said. And then kick it in first and get fuck on. Yay! Ladies and gentlemen, this is how the old captain handles the gate. I don't know about you, but I find it very effective. But I don't know, man. Why gate it up like that? Just let me go through. It's not going to stop me. It's going to take all 20 seconds of my time. Maybe 30. Sandy. One thing about a dirt bike dual sport, the answer to just about every question I've found is just to send it. More throttle. Literally. Like, how do you turn around real fast? You lock the wheel to one side and fucking send it. How do you go for a water puddle? Well, gear and you send it. How do you? I mean, just think of anything, any question you got about a dual sport, man, basically just send it. Just fucking, wow, like that. Now, how you really? More throttle. Send it. Well, it is like, yeah, it ain't all that complicated. If you got a question about a dual sport or a dirt bike, just give it more throttle. That's probably the answer. Let's stand up for here. A bit sandy. Yeah, I'll stand up the whole time. Yeah, boy. Well, it has been real, very, very real with you guys today. Hey, how about this? Why don't y'all do me a favor? Hit that subscribe button. You know, get your boy at 1,000 subs, so if he gets out here and sees Bigfoot or backflips a DR 650 and ends up hospitalized, he might get $10 for doing it. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's call this one a day, guys. It's been good. It's been good. But I need to get home and do some shit. And you guys got other things to do than sitting on the toilet too long watching a YouTube video. Till the next time, I'll catch you guys later.